Chris.
Good afternoon.
Matey, how are you?
How are you?
We got a trip out to the factory.
Yeah,
We got a quick sneaky trip out, and yeah, I was a kid in a candy shop, really.
Well, you've actually just walked past your base.
Oh, really?
So that's sitting there, but we'll go and have a look at that in a minute. We've got to come and have a look at the top first.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. Is this it?
This is it.
No
Wow.
way. This is awesome.
Oh, Christian.
Have a look at this. To see it for the first time, like, we were blown away, weren't
Yeah.
we? This thing was just screaming at us.
Amazing.
These are 360 wide planks of walnut in from America. We've got the fossilised ancient red gum that's been carbon dated between 5,000 and 10,000 years old.
That ancient red gum have so much meaning and story behind them.
They dig it with an excavator down 20, 30 metres down underneath the creek bed of the Murray, and all the minerals and all the soil and all the stone goes into it. There's no oxygen, and it goes black, and it's fossilised.
Looks unreal. We've got a dinosaur that's stuck in our kitchen table. It's been mined from under the earth.
This is what it's about. So when your auction day comes, people are going to come into your house and touch this and just go, oh. So I managed to keep you a piece.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, now,
Unreal.
it's 10,000 year old. 10,000 years in the ground.
It's interesting.
It's been around a long time.
It's amazing.
Oh, yeah.
We'll go and frame this, I think.
10,000 years old. To think that it's in your kitchen table, well,
That's amazing.
it's unreal. This puppy's getting wrapped up in a minute, and she'll be delivered to us tomorrow afternoon, so we're excited to take possession of her tomorrow.
And as we get closer to Sunday, the big-ticket items keep on coming.
From Freedom, I got my chairs, and Freedom had this chair with a leather saddle back seat,
That one there, matey.
which was perfect.
Perfect for your bespoke game-changer table, which also has just arrived.
I said to Christian, wrap this puppy up. No one's seen it. I don't want anyone seeing the colour, the style. I'm not sure if anyone's got their kitchen tables here yet.